we're like getting away.
Hey Tyson, we're hooked together.
No way, I'm way faster than you.
Tyson, we've got an umbilical cord.
Come on, Zack, make noises.
Okay.
I bet you can't meet me on that tour.
This is the way I like. Here's my sound.
Let's put the second.
Moo. Wait a second. This is the most fun I've had in years. Wait a second.
Are you videoing this whole thing?
I don't care.
You guys are quick.
You are moving, Tyson.
I move like I'm putting half.
I think you come to the end.
I guess it all.
No, I'm pretty sure you don't.
Clear out here if I turn right. Push me. Okay. Nope. Hey. Okay, now watch this. This is gonna be really tricky.
Okay.
Nope, stop moving.